welcome back to Lingoni. My name is Alicia and today we will be talking about the seasons, les saisons. Donc dans l'année, il y a 4 saisons. L'hiver, le printemps, l'été et l'automne. Hiver, printemps is a bit difficult because you have the double nasal sound and the PS at the end that you do not pronounce. L'été, quite easy to pronounce. Et l'automne, careful also because it's written M-N-E and you only pronounce the N sound. Okay, so when does each season start and end? Let's see that. L'hiver commence le 21 ou le 22 décembre et inclut les mois, and includes the months of, et inclut les mois de janvier, février et mars. Until, jusqu'au 20 ou 21 mars. En mars, starts, le printemps. Et le printemps continue en avril, mai et juin. Le 20 ou le 21 juin, careful with the pronunciation of juin, summer starts, c'est l'été qui commence. Et l'été continue en juillet, août, both are complicated to pronounce, juillet with the closed U, the French U, Y sound, and open E. Juillet, août, written with a lot of letters that you do not pronounce, A-O-U-T, accent circonflexe, and in the end you just say août. Et septembre, et le 22 ou 23 septembre, commence l'automne. Automne. L'automne qui inclut les mois de, that includes the month of, octobre, novembre et décembre until the 21st or the 22nd. And then starts winter. One important thing, preposition. You say en été, en automne, en hiver, but you say au printemps. That's important. En été, en automne, en hiver, but au printemps. And now let's quickly talk about the weather, because I think it goes together really. If you talk about the seasons, you want to talk about the months of the year, and then just to have like some short sentences. Let's see what's happening in each month, an important thing that's happening in the calendar, and maybe what kind of weather do we have? What's the weather like? So en hiver, il fait froid. Please note, il fait froid. Souvent, often, il neige, il pleut, le ciel, the sky, est gris, nuageux, that comes from cloud, nuage, nuageux, cloudy. You could also say, il y a des nuages. And when we think winter, we think Noël, Christmas. Nous fêtons Noël, we celebrate Christmas. Et le réveillon du Nouvel An. That's the 31st of December. We call it le réveillon du Nouvel An. And then the first, it's le Nouvel An. Literally the New Year. D'accord? Donc quand on pense hiver, when we think winter, I guess we mainly think about that, like les fêtes de Noël, hein, the Christmas celebrations, avec Noël et le jour de l'an. Au printemps, remember the preposition. Le temps est variable, changing weather. Il fait beau, mais quelquefois il pleut, il y a du vent, it can be windy. Le ciel est clair, normally, the sky is clear, le ciel est clair, bright. Les arbres, interesting vocab, les arbres, the trees, deviennent, they become, green, vert. Il y a des fleurs dans les parcs et les jardins qui bourgeonnent. That's an advanced sentence. Here I really... Yeah. Il y a des fleurs dans les parcs et les jardins qui bourgeonnent. That means there are flowers in parks and gardens that are blossoming. You know, blossom, bourgeonner. If you can learn this sentence by the end of this class, that's more than A1. That's a nice sentence. Okay, so we've checked now. En hiver, au printemps. En été, that's an easy one. En été, il fait beau, il fait chaud, le ciel est bleu, les journées sont longues. Ok? Donc il fait beau, the weather is nice, il fait clair, bright, chaud, hot. Le ciel est bleu, the sky is blue, les jours sont longs ou longues if you say journée. Les journées sont longues, days are long. Yeah. What's important in July, August? Obviously, les grandes vacances, les vacances d'été. Les grandes vacances, les vacances d'été. Generally, en été, nous allons à la mer, à la plage, dans une destination de vacances chaude. Donc, vacances would be important, partir en vacances. Et aller, with the verb aller, aller à la plage, aller à la mer, aller à la piscine. D'accord? We have also two very important days, bank holidays in the calendar in July and August. The 14th of July, le 14 juillet, which is the fête nationale en France, and the 15th of August, le 15 août, l'Assomption. D'accord. And the last one would be en automne. En automne, il fait frais, il pleut parfois, il pleut, it rains, il y a du vent, les feuilles tombent, the leaves like they fall from the trees. And what's important? Well, two things. Well, important. Yeah. En septembre, la rentrée des classes, la rentrée des classes, la rentrée scolaire, as we say, le premier jour d'école. And in October, because it became very popular like these last years, I guess we could mention Halloween. We don't say Halloween. All our age are just inexistent. Halloween, which is now, yeah, commonly celebrated in France too, especially like for young people and kids. They're happy to go and knock at the neighbor's door to get some sweets. So Halloween, dans beaucoup de pays maintenant, c'est fêté, et en France aussi. Donc les enfants se déguisent, new words, ils se déguisent, they dress up, et ils vont chercher des bonbons chez les voisins. And they go ask for some sweets at the neighbors. Ils vont chercher des bonbons chez les voisins. D'accord. I think we could say like many other things, like calendar-wise, for example. I think one day I'll just give you some important dates and what's happening at these dates. For example, here I had written, and it's true that in March, en mars, nous fêtons le carnaval. Okay, that's nice, but I think, and en février, we have something called la chandeleur. That's when we cook crêpes. It's all really interesting, but I think because this lesson is called seasons, let's stick to seasons and remember like how to pronounce and say them. Remember when they start and when they end. Remember the preposition thing. But I don't think it's worth going through every single month and give you like what we actually celebrate, because that would be worth another class. And it could be quite fun to explain to you what's happening and what we do with sentences and vocab. Today, maybe not many sentences, but certainly basic important vocab. Été, hiver, printemps, automne. We say en été, but we say au printemps, and then en hiver et en automne. And of course the month. So I'll just go through the months one more time, and then I'll stop there. Janvier, février, mars, avril, mai, juin, juillet, août, septembre, octobre, novembre et décembre. Also, I mentioned in some sentences like it's raining, it's windy, it's cloudy, it's sunny, it's hot. I have a lesson talking exclusively about weather. I'm doing the weather forecast. So we'll go through that again more in details, because I told you, remember that we say il fait beau, il fait chaud, il fait froid. I'll go back to that in another lesson. Thank you very much for your attention, guys. Remember to go on lingoni.com to practice all these. And I'll see you very soon for a new lesson. Bye bye!